語で覚える。国名フラッシュカード。Africa, Angola, Cameroon, Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo, São Tomé and Príncipe, Chad, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Central African Republic, Oceania, Australia, Kiribati, Samoa, Solomon Islands, Tuvalu, Tonga, Nauru, New Zealand, Vanuatu, Papua New Guinea, Palau, Fiji, Marshall Islands, Micronesia. See you in my next video.